Okay, students, I'm now going to show you how to create a Readworks account. If you go onto my website, I will show you where to get the information. Okay, you're going to go onto rhymeandscience.com, and then we have distance learning resources. Go down to logins, and there you will see Readworks. Okay, that's also where you're going to find Legends of Learning. Okay, so Readworks and tell you how to make a Readworks account. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go to readworks.org student. Okay. Okay, and then let's see here. It's going to tell you to enter the class code. So you go down to here. I'm going to pretend we're going to period 2. Okay, so I'm going to copy this code. And you do that for your class period. And then in Readworks, you do your class code here. Okay, and now you log in with Google. I'm going to do Harrison. And then I'm going to do his password. And then I'm going to see what happens. Okay, so I typed in Harrison, my son's information. Okay, I'm not going to tell it to save it because, let's see here. All right. Okay, and we're going to do allow. Okay, and then it should let us in. Okay, period 2, rhyme and science. It says you don't have any assignments. Pretty cool. We don't have assignments yet. Okay. And this is where you'll see submitted assignments. I haven't given you any assignments yet, but I probably will, to tell you the truth. So that is how you log into Readworks. Again, it's on my website, these directions. Just follow them through, and it will show up on your account. Thank you.